Using tape has wildly benefited lash artists for getting through a service. But one thing we find that isn't often talked about is how to use it safely to avoid causing discomfort for our clients. By taking these precautions for every tape technique that we do, we can not only make the service pain-free, but it also makes our job easier and it shows our level of professionalism. So here are a few quick tips on how to work with tape carefully around the eyes. When using tape on the skin, I will often detack it so it's easier to remove. The only time I will not detack it is if my client is oily. We recommend detacking the tape on a clean surface, and if you have to, you can always ask your client to detack it on their own skin. We just want to make sure that we are not detacking it on our own skin because our skin contains dirt, debris, oil, dead skin cells, and we do not want to be transferring that onto our client. So clean surface, or you can ask your client to detack it on themselves. If you like to use tape to pull back the layers, but you find that even when you detack it, it's still tough to remove the tape from the extensions, you can add a second piece of tape over top of the tape before you apply it, and this will act as a barrier between the extensions and the tape. This is a really good hack so that you don't get your tape stuck to the extensions, and it's super easy to remove. Before applying tape onto the skin, go ahead and fold a little section of the tape to create a flap, and that's gonna help remove the tape gently and easily once you're done using it. Okay, how many of you guys have unintentionally given your clients an eyebrow wax before with tape? Because I certainly have, and it is not fun for anybody. If you are ever applying tape up into the eyebrow area, try out this hack. So kind of like the hack we just talked about, apply a second piece of tape over the strip of tape to act as a barrier against the eyebrows and the tape. When you are all done using your tape and it comes time to remove it, we don't want to pull and tug on those little hairs that are located just under the eyebrows. You know, the ones that are like a little bit tough to see. I find that sometimes when I pull the tape in a certain direction, I can see that I'm pulling out those little hairs and I'm sure it's not comfortable. So I immediately switch to the other direction so that I'm pulling my tape in the direction that the eyebrows are growing out from, and then the tape will remove easier and you won't cause discomfort for your clients. It might seem like a tedious thing to think about, but it's just something to keep in mind in case you ever notice that you're causing a little discomfort for your client when you're pulling the tape away. Just try and switch up the direction that you're pulling your tape from and see if that helps. That wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.